Good day viewers. Today I want to discuss the hugely popular and influential book Reasons to Stay Alive by Matt Haig. Since being published in 2015, this book has sold over 1.5 million copies worldwide, has been translated into over 30 languages, and touched the lives of countless readers around the globe. Its immense success is a testament to how universally relatable and impactful Matt's story truly is. From the moment it was released, Reasons to Stay Alive struck a chord with so many people struggling with mental illness and those supporting loved ones experiencing similar difficulties. It quickly became a #1 bestseller in numerous countries like the UK, Germany, France, and Australia. Readers have praised the vulnerability and raw honesty with which Matt shares his most private emotions and darkest moments, battling severe depression and anxiety throughout various points in his life. By chronicling his suicidal thoughts, experiences with debilitating panic attacks, and long road to recovery through therapy and medication, he gave a profound human face to often misunderstood conditions. More than just relaying his personal journey though, Matt also imbued the text with insightful observations, hard-won wisdom, and glimpses of hope. He discusses the little joys that kept him holding on through bleak periods, the support systems that aided his healing, and lessons learned about managing mental well-being over the long term. In an age where open discussions about mental health issues are needed more than ever, Reasons to Stay Alive has served as a galvanizing force. It has inspired countless important conversations and likely saved lives through advocating that darkness will pass and help is available. Its impact makes it truly one of the most important books of the 21st century so far. I do hope this gives you a better sense of just how widely and positively this book has resonated with readers worldwide. Its message of strength, hope and perseverance in the face of struggles really cannot be overstated. Here are 7 of the most impactful quotes from Matt Haig's book Reasons to Stay Alive. Number 1. My depression has taught me that my thoughts are not me. My emotions are not me. There is something beyond them. Something that can watch them and that remains fundamentally unfaltering and okay even when emotions and thoughts are dark. Number 2. Depression lies. That is the truth. It will tell you all sorts of untruths. Number 3. Even my broken pieces want to dance. Number 4. The way out is always through. And sometimes through means allowing things to fall to pieces, and then putting yourself together again. Number 5. Stay curious, stay interested, and you'll stay interesting. An engaged mind defeats depression. Number 6. I did have reasons to stay alive. They were small reasons, tiny reasons, but they were reasons nonetheless and, slowly, they multiplied. Number 7. Every moment, every day, that you overcome the layers of malaise, melancholy, self-loathing and suicidal thoughts and actions, is an incredible achievement worthy of the utmost admiration and respect. Here are 5 key lessons from Matt Haig's book Reasons to Stay Alive. Number 1. Depression lies. It warps your thinking and tricks you into believing life will always be bleak. But that isn't reality. With help, the darkness does pass. Number 2. Self-care is crucial when depressed, even small acts like showering or making your favorite meal. Engage in things you find personally nourishing. Number 3. Reach out for help, whether that's therapy, medication, or just talking with loved ones. You don't have to cope with mental illness alone. Professional help works for many. Number 4. Appreciate life's simple pleasures, even on bad days. Noticing natural beauty, arts, humor, these bits of light have power to lift moods. Number 5. A positive routine helps stability, keep regular sleep habits, daily activities, hobbies. Structure provides well-needed anchors when emotions feel overwhelming. Well, that wraps up my discussion of Matt Haig's powerful book Reasons to Stay Alive. I hope sharing my thoughts provided some useful insight into why this book has had such a profound effect on so many. Before I conclude, I'd just like to add one more thought. While Haig focuses on mental illness throughout much of the work, the overarching message translates far beyond any one condition or struggle. At its core, it's a reminder of our shared humanity, that no matter how lonely life may feel at times, we all experience moments of doubt, despair, and inner turmoil. And it's during those lowest points we need community and compassion the most. If this discussion has in any way resonated with you or piqued your interest, I cannot recommend this book highly enough. And remember, you are never alone in your hardships. There is help and hope to be found. On that note, I'll wrap up our look at Matt Haig's instant classic. As always, I'm grateful you've taken this time to learn more about such an important topic. Until next time, take care and stay well.